Well, welcome. Today we shall be discussing our multiplication tricks for kids. For example, if you have a number like 2 multiplied by 3, so they can cram from the table to get the answer as 6. But what if their memory is slightly lower? So you simply tell them that for 2, you draw 2 vertical lines. So it is 2. Then 3, you draw 3 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3. Then the answer becomes from the point of intersection, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, 2 times 3 will be given as 6. This will make the slow learners to understand. Let us do for the last number as an example. What if it's maybe 3 times 4? So 3 times 4. So you tell them to draw 3 vertical lines for 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then 4 horizontal line for this 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer for 3 times 4 becomes the points of intersection, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you get that 3 times 4 will be given as 12. Let us move for, these were for single numbers. What if they are single and double numbers? For example, if it is 14 times 4, we want to see how a kid can understand this 14 times 4 easily. That becomes, you draw one line for this one vertical line, so 1. Because they are in different place values, so you also skip some space. So you can skip some space here. Then you also draw another 4 vertical line for this 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it is being multiplied by 4. For multiplication, you draw a horizontal line. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, 14 times 4 will be given by the points of intersection. Because they are in different place values, we start by this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So they are 16. So we write 6 and carry 1. So right here 6, then we carry 1. So we come on this other side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4, but we had carried 1, therefore it is 4 plus this one, which is 5. The answer becomes 56. So therefore 14 times 4 becomes 56. A last example is if you have 13 maybe times 7. So 13 times 7. So again you draw one line. So 1. Then you skip some space and go for this one. So 1, 2, 3. Then 7. So you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then count the points of intersection. So on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So they are 21, write 1, carry 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they are 7 plus this 2 becomes 9. Therefore 13 times 7, it is easily 91. So let the kids enjoy the lesson. The very last example is maybe you have 25 times 3. So 25 times 3. So you have here 2-digit number. So write it as 1, 2. So for this 5 is on a different place value. So skip some space. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it's being multiplied by 3. So you draw 3 horizontal lines. So 1, 2, 3. Then from there, count the point of intersection on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So they are 15. Write 5, carry 1. On this side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they are 6. So 6 plus the 1 we carried becomes 7, which is 75. So therefore, 25 multiplied by 3 gives you 75. So 25 times 3 gets 75. What is the summary now? So we started by this one. 2 times 3 is given as 6. So you draw 2 vertical line, then 3 horizontal line for multiplication. Count the point of intersection. For a 2-digit number, we draw the first line depending with the total value of this digit. If it is 1, so draw one line. If there are 2, so draw 2 lines. For our case, it was 1, so you draw one line. Then skip some space, then draw 4 lines, then multiplied by 4, so you draw 4 horizontal line. Count point of intersection. This side there was 16, write 6 here, then carry 1. Then on this side there are 4 plus this one that we carried, we get 5. So the answer becomes 56, as well as this one. So in our next lesson, we shall be tackling on how do you find square root for kids. How will they use the tricks to understand the issue of square root. Otherwise, have a nice time.